know anybody in your life that's worried about tinnitus, aka tinnitus, aka ringing of the ears? A new study out today seems to be saying that over-the-counter painkillers could increase your risk of tinnitus. So what can you do? Use them only if there's a reason. Thing is, we don't know why it's happening, but we know it is happening. Unfortunately, there's no cure for tinnitus. One thing you could do is talk to your doctor to have your vitamin D levels measured. So the reason is because people that have a vitamin D deficiency are more likely to develop tinnitus. Okay, share this with a friend who you think is burnt out. Did you know that your body knows when it's burnt out? So I'm going to give you a few signs to look out for. First, you're going to ask yourself, how's my sleep? If you're experiencing insomnia and work-related issues are on the top of your mind, guess what? This could be a sign that you're burnt out. Second, physical exhaustion. So you walking around tired, mopey all the time, this could be a sign that you're burnt out. And the third sign you want to look out for, headaches and stomach aches that come from no other causes. Yep, if you're getting those for no other reason, you could be experiencing burnout. The World Health Organization describes burnout as a workplace phenomenon characterized by feelings of exhaustion, cynicism, and reduced efficacy. Look, the message here is this. If your life sucks and there's no reason for it to suck, it could be burnout. Hey y'all, this news here needs to be shared with all of your Black friends. Research continues to show that our African American friends have a much higher rate of colorectal cancer. Scientists and researchers still don't know the exact reason as to why the African American community is disproportionately affected by this cancer. The good news here is that researchers are looking at one huge dietary factor: the lack of polyphenols in their diet. Polyphenols are micronutrients that are naturally found in plants. Look, there's a lot of data to suggest that African Americans eat less plant-based food. No doubt about it, some of these reasons are structural and racial. Your job here is to be a good friend and talk to your friends about it. Let them know that this is a thing. Everybody needs more plant-based micronutrients in their diet. This is for anybody in your life that's over the age of 50. You need to ask them if they've gotten their shot for shingles. This is what you need to know. Shingles is a reactivation of your chickenpox. And generally speaking, people over the age of 50 have to worry about this. Shingles is very painful, shingles suck, and the best thing is shingles can be avoided by getting a vaccination. So the good news is shingles is not contagious among adults, but some adults can give it to kiddos. Avoid this all, get vaccinated.